Hey guys, General Mechanic right here. Another quick video. Hope you're having a good time. I have not been having a good time with this crazy thing. It's a 2006 Toyota 4Runner SR5, 6 cylinders. I'm gonna tell you what this thing was doing. This thing will crank up and idle really good, perfect, no hesitations. So I went ahead and started checking it around. I did the spark plugs. The spark plugs were really burnt. uh, I had two codes, P0171, P0174, and as you know, those two codes stand for system 2 lean on bank 1, bank 2. But the main point on this thing is that, according to whatever the causes could be for those two codes, could be a vacuum leak, a bad master flow sensor, a bad O2 sensors, whatever else you can imagine that is out there on information books or system, whatever you got over there to troubleshoot stuff. So I went ahead and did everything I could with this thing, and but finally, guys, I did found the problem. And of course, you know that sometimes you regret of not checking this, checking that, right before you spend any money. But anyways, sometimes we gotta go through what we gotta go through. But and there's no information. If you look in the data, this thing, there's no information about, fuel pressure, and all that stuff, like the actual fuel rail pressure, and the information that could be the key to solve your problem. So what I did is this time is that I hooked a fuel pressure gauge on this thing. And of course, these things, they're kind of hard to make, so I went ahead and got me a little fitting right here that I hooked it to my pressure gauge, fuel pressure gauge over here. It's 1/8 threads to a 5/16 hose fitting. This could be the look. This is the part number. I got it from Advanced Auto Parts, 785-412. This thing right here saved my life. I was looking for something else, any other kind of way to fit out, to check the pressure running. But anyways, I went ahead and got me this setup in order for me to check straight pressure from the pump. So what I did found is that right now, guys, turning the key on, there's no fuel pressure coming in until you turn the key, start cranking it. That couldn't be a problem. But turning the ignition on, cranking the truck up, or turning the engine, you have less than 20 pounds. So, and the pressure is not staying on, pressure goes right back off. So I found my problem. I got a bad fuel pump. There's not enough pressure to the system. There's no the filter couldn't be clogged out or anything like that, because I have flow. Like I said, it will crank right up, and everything else could be running right the way it looks. But as soon as you gave it gas, it was dying. So that's the problem this thing had. You gave it gas, you touched the pedal, and it will completely shut off. There was no acceleration, there was no response from the throttle, there was nothing. I mean, those are things that you could think, or come to your mind by seeing the truck dying after you press the pedal. But at the end of the day, there was not enough fuel pressure in the system. And so we're gonna go ahead and replace the pump. And I know that's gonna be our fix. And hopefully we got no more problems after that. So I just wanted to share this little information, guys. If you got your 4Runner or any Toyota with a 6-cylinder, not taking any gas, this could be your problem. I'm not saying this is your problem, but could be your problem. So check the fuel pressure before you spend any money on master flow sensor or anything like that. The O2 sensors, they're like $170 a piece, the two top ones, and like $100 the back ones. So it's very good, a bit of money if you just go in there and start throwing money at it. So hopefully, you know, this could be an idea for your diagnosis on your vehicle. And again, you know, if you find my video helpful, just leave a thumb up, you know, and you know, got something to say, any question, leave it in the comments below. But the main thing is subscribe, because I got more videos coming. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day.